Hello viewers, this is doing a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make YouTube safe for kids and block bad channel and videos. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. YouTube is the biggest video sharing and hosting platform in the world, which is such a comprehensive source of content for kids can easily have access to inappropriate video as well. Thankfully, YouTube has a specific version of kids that can help us protect our little content from any inappropriate content. Nevertheless, you can use manually block adult content on YouTube too. Read on and learn how to block disrupting content on YouTube or YouTube Kids so that your kids would not be able to access any inappropriate videos. Now I'm going to show you how to block such inappropriate comments from your YouTube channel. Open your YouTube. First of all, you have to restrict YouTube mode. You can also delete any inappropriate content from your YouTube homepage. Look, click on three dot icons of your video and click on not interested, but this type of restriction is for runtime only. If you want to permanently restrict some adult content, you have to click on your profile picture, scroll down, click on restrict mode, activate restrict mode. Look, on inappropriate content are not showing on your homepage on your YouTube. This is the way. Now another way to catch, click on three dot icons, go to your studio. Now go to settings. Now click on community. Scroll down. This is block words. You have to mention some contents here that will be blocked, such as adult, games, comma, then note, then comma, then teen ages content, then comma, many things. If you want that is suitable for not for your kids, then games, and now I'm click on save. This contents will be filtered. Click on menu bar, click on history, click on clear on watched history, watched history, click on games, click on three dot icon and click on not interested. Click on tell us why, because I don't like this video, and click on the summary. Again, click on not interested, click on tell us why I don't like this video. If you find any adult content here, in this way you can stop this video. Look, not interested. Click on tell why I am not interested. In this way, you can restrict your YouTube channel. Click on view advanced settings. Click on YouTube apps icon. You can open YouTube Kids for your kids to watch safe video without adult content. Click on I am a parent. Click on next. Just enter the age of you where you born. They just verify your age, and it was stored 2008, and then click on submit. To continue, please enter the correct answer. 12 and then submit. And this is the notification bar. To parents, you have to read all the conditions here and then click on agree. Choose the content uh, experience for your child. Old is 9 to 12. Now click on submit. Now click on search on. Now click on done. Okay, look, now your kids will able to run this type of content which is safe for adult content. Okay, now if your child search for anything adult, you will not get any result about adults. You will not get result about child content. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.